Today, I feel a little off today. It's just one of those days where I get up and my brain's just not functioning. Like I didn't have any motivation to edit. I wanted to vlog. I thought I was gonna get a good vlog in. I really didn't have anywhere to go today, and I didn't want to just go spend gas for a vlog just to drive around and get some interesting B-roll to make the vlog. So sometimes having an off day is normal in your YouTube journey. So if you're having an off day, it's completely normal. Push through it, do a little quick talk video just so you can get something out there. I've been pretty frustrated today. I was just doing the dishes and I just found myself getting like upset. Nobody has done anything wrong to me. I guess I'm just beating myself up because I felt like the day just slipped through my hands today. It's already 3:53, basically 4 o'clock. My kids are about to be home any minute now. Me and my wife have to go to this dinner for the homeschool. They're gonna have a dinner for the parents where they talk to us about like the curriculum and just different things that the school wants to address to the parents. And so that's gonna take a couple of hours, and I don't know, I feel tired. Maybe I just didn't have good sleep last night. Anyways, yesterday, I don't know if you guys watched the vlog, I actually dropped the camera. The camera was fine and it fell right off the gimbal. What happened was I didn't tighten up one of those knobs that locks in all the different plates. There's a ton of knobs when you start shooting gimbals that you have to like lock with all the axes, and it's just stuff that you need to do for balancing gimbals. When I picked up the gimbal, I noticed the camera was a little wobbly. And I don't know why I did this. I know that I don't know why I did it. Don't even ask me. I shook the gimbal just to see if the camera was stable. And when I did that, the camera completely fell off with both of the plates. So the plate that goes on vertically, and then the other plate that like the camera sits on that slides back and forth to set your like front load and back load of the weight of the camera to, you know, balance it. That whole piece with the camera fell off. Lucky me, the gimbal plates that were on the camera took the hit. Yeah, the fine-tuned knob that adjusts the camera back and forth for like the balance is broken. I can still use the gimbal, but I now have to move the camera. It's a pain. Anyways, I couldn't find the part anywhere on the internet, but I finally found the whole entire plate with the knob already included, obviously, because it's part of the plate on eBay. It cost me like $54, so not too bad for dropping like thousands of dollars of equipment. And so yeah, I'm happy that that was fixed. Nothing happened to the camera, but here I am. I don't really have much to vlog today, so yeah, I'm just having an off day, and that's just pretty much it, guys. I don't know. Let me know in the comments how you guys get past your off days. I'm gonna try not to get upset about it. I don't have a cool vlog for you guys today, and I'm sorry, it's gonna be short. This is all I have. I'm just gonna call it a day. Peace.